morning, students. Today we will do some examples related to the topic exponents and radicals. First example is cube root of x raised to power 4y multiplied by 1 cube root of xy raised to power 7 and whole exponent is minus 4. We will start to solve this question with base. Here, first of all, we will multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. We can write here 1. The first step is cube root of x raised to power 4y. When we multiply with 1, the answer is itself divided by cube root of x y raised to power 7 and whole power is minus 4. Next is, here index is the same. We will apply square root of a by square root of b is equal to square root of a by b. Because the index is same, we can write cube root of x raised to power 4y by xy raised to power 7 and whole exponent is minus 4. Next step will be, here bases are same in division. Here we will apply a raised to power m divided by b raised to power m. So, a raised to power n. Bases are equal, then powers will be subtracted. Here bases are x, it is also x. It is y, it is also y. So we can write cube root of x raised to power 4 minus 1 multiplied by y 1 minus 7 and whole exponent is minus 4, which is equal to cube root of x raised to power 3 and y raised to power 1 minus 7 is minus 6 and whole exponent is minus 4. Next step will be, we write this radical in exponential form. Here index is 3. So we will write x raised to power 3 y raised to power minus 6 whole power is minus 4 by 3. Next step, x raised to power 3 multiply by minus 4 by 3 and multiply by y raised to power minus 6 multiply by minus 4 by 3. We will solve it. 3 1s are 3 1s are x raised to power minus 4 multiply by y raised to power minus multiply by minus will be positive and 3 1s are 3 2s are and 2 4s are 8. We have to write the answer with positive exponent. Here exponent of y is positive but exponent of x is negative, so we will make it positive. How? We will take reciprocal of x, which is 1 by x multiplied by y raised to power 8, which is equal to y raised to power 8 divided by x raised to power 4. It is the answer. So it is the answer. Answer is in positive exponent. Look again. Here, first of all, we multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So we find it. Now index is same, so we can apply this law. We can write in this way. Now we will apply bases are equal in division, then powers will be subtracted. We will find it. Next step is this. We write it, it is exponential form. Index is 3, so it is minus 4 by 3. Then x raised to power 3 multiplied by minus 4 by 3 and multiplied by y raised to power minus 6 multiplied by minus 4 by 3. 3 cancel with 3, so x minus 4 multiplied by y raised to power minus multiplied by minus is plus. 2 4s are 8. Now it is negative exponent. We have to write down positive exponent. So we take reciprocal of x, which is 1 by x raised to power 4 and multiply by y raised to power 8 equal to y raised to power 8 or x raised to power 4. It is the answer. Here exponents are positive. I hope this question will be clear to you. Now second example. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. It means we have to solve exponential equation. 4 raised to power x minus 4 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 24. In left hand side, here are two terms. First is 4 raised to power x and second is 4 raised to power x minus 1. And in right hand side, it is only one term, which is 24. First of all, we write. Here, which law applicable here? We write a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m minus n. Here right hand side is given. You can write left hand side. Here a raised to power m minus n is given. We have to write left hand side. So we write first term minus, we write 4 raised to power x divided by 4 raised to power 1 is equal to 24. Now next step will be first term and second term. Here 4 raised to power x is common. 1 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 24. Here 4 raised to power x is the common factor. 4 raised to power x divided by 4 raised to power x, we will find 1. Minus, when we divide this term by this, we find 1 by 4. Now solve it by taking LCM. 4 1s are 4 minus 1 is equal to 24. 4 raised to power x multiply by 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 by 4 is 24. Next, we will shift 3 by 4 right hand side. Here it is multiply. It will be divided by 3 by 4. Next step is 4 raised to power x is 24 multiplied by 4 by 3. 3 1s are 3 8s are. It means 4 raised to power x equal to 8 4s are 32. Now we have to make the exponents equating. We have to make the basis same. We write 4 is 2 raised to power 2 whole power x is we write 2 raised to power 5. Now we will multiply these power. 2 raised to power 2x equal to 2 raised to power 5. Now bases are equal. Then we equate the exponents. 2x equal to 5. Then transpose 2. Here the relation is multiply. We will write in division 5 by 2. It is the answer. X equal to 5 by 2. When the bases are equal, then we can equate the exponents. Here exponent is 2x and here exponent is 5. We transpose 2 in the form of division. X is 5 by 2 or 2 1 by 2. Here we apply this a raised to power m minus n. So we can write a raised to power m divided by a raised to power. Thank you.